Hey guys, welcome back to Gmod. Today we'll be doing some bomb survival. We have not done this before, and we're excited. What are you grabbing? Maybe you're talking about this big bomb over here. Because we do have a big bomb, and it go boom. Wait,
Don't. We survived. Wow, that was really realistic, guys.
Realistic bombs. Well, let's go build our bases so we can survive.
Yeah.
Foodie.
I have the most boring voice of a YouTuber I've ever heard, though. I'm just saying.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll show you my idea for a base. This. Garbage. It's a garbage idea.
Yeah, it is. This is my idea. I'm gonna make a little box out of these.
That seems like it would shatter.
Shatter?
Yeah.
It's not glass. You mean it would, like, melt?
What if I, like, where is that tool? What if I just, like, made it a little bit bigger? I mean, this might work as a bomb shelter.
Yeah, it will work as a bomb shelter.
Here,
probably.
I'm gonna get myself a little chair.
Let's go make the base.
How's your base going, man? What are you doing? Wouldn't it be awful if just a little bomb came by and, like, went boom?
Not now. Do not do that now. Up.
Would you like a bomb in your base?
No. We're trying to
protect.
protect ourselves from bombs. Didn't you read the title?
What about, like, where is this big bomb? What about this bomb?
Oh my gosh.
Is this big enough bomb? Here,
yes.
Here, you can take bomb.
No.
What about a missile?
Not now. That's a bad idea right now.
What about a shrapnel grenade?
Did you light it? Ignite it?
Wait, did it? Oh, wait, I don't think I enabled it. Okay, now it's enabled. Boom! That was kind of
okay, let
pathetic.
me find the prop resizer.
That was kind of pathetic.
Yeah, it kind of was. Let's see. Look at this. Okay, all I gotta do is make it, whatever.
Haven't you already built a base like this before?
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Well, they do now.
Yeah. Yep. That's.
Stop breaking the fourth wall, mate.
No, this one is better though.
How?
Because this one is actually, I can actually use it as a fading door, and that one is not a fading door. So, as soon as I find it.
Tell me. Ow.
How did you die already?
Don't ask. Do not ask.
Okay, I will not ask.
I'm not sure why, but with this detonator, like, for some reason my head's in my chest. Because, like, my arms are high up. Maybe I got some radiation damage or something.
Alright, we're gonna have a little camera up on my base. So we're gonna get a camera. And then it's that easy. That's genius. Oh, you started it already?
No.
I didn't even weld it together yet.
Wait, did your base fall apart?
Yes, because I didn't weld it.
Oh, sorry about that, mate. Here, you can just get rid of it and I can rebuild and you can put the fading doors.
I'm just gonna do this, yeah. Okay. Nice rebuild.
Yeah, it only took me 2 seconds.
Yep. Exactly.
And this one's nice and welded together.
Yep.
Wait,
It lagged.
why-
It's lagging.
Why is there... Am I red? What is happening? Oh. Oh, I think my fizz gun broke.
Why?
I don't know. Wait, where'd my base go? Oh, wait. I made it invisible.
Oh,
That was
dang
weird.
it. Why
Wait.
did I do that?
Oh, I thought that. Oh, that's cool. Okay.
I think only one part of my base won't be welded.
Well, is it working?
Yep, it works.
Okay, are you ready for the first bomb?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's just do a normal 1,000 pound. No, wait, let's do an Overwatch bomb.
A normal 1,000.
Ah! That just that thing just went flying. Okay, let's set a delay for 5 seconds.
Whoop.
Okay, it's starting.
There it
The 5
goes.
second timer's going now.
I didn't put the camera angle to see it.
It seems our base did not work.
I guess, is it gonna implode?
No, that one doesn't implode. The ion bomb implodes. Like, the implosion bomb. The implosion bomb. Would you like to see the implosion bomb?
Yeah, let's make our view. I'm just gonna get away from that real quick.
Not sure why you killed me. I set off the bomb.
I didn't.
Oh, that's so beautiful of a colors. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it's a sandstorm, but it's purple. Never
Oh,
mind, it's not a sandstorm.
It imploded more. I wonder what would
Well,
happen.
that was fun.
I wonder what a volcano bomb is.
Let's test that later, maybe.
And why is it admin restricted?
I don't know. Let's test that later, maybe, so our viewers can actually see
Okay.
stuff later on.
Watch to the end to find out what the volcano bomb does.
Yeah, watch to the end, guys. Nah, never mind. I wasn't gonna say that.
I wasn't gonna say that. Okay, how about we fight against the implosion bomb? Good thing I saved my previous build, so go ahead and spawn it back in. Oh wait, this is...
Okay.
Is this thing welded? Yeah, it is.
Do I have the right... I gotta go to the dupe. I spelled it terribly wrong.
Good thing I got a nice view. Is your base ready for the implosion?
Okay, there. It's not yet. I haven't even made it a fading door. So... Let me find the fading doors and make it a fading door. Why is it lagging so bad?
I don't know. And I don't particularly care.
Let me get a camera running, so... RT camera. And no. Hopefully, well, what bomb are you gonna... We need to get better bases.
I died from my base. I didn't die from the bomb. Oh wait, it's gonna explode again. Run!
I'm still dead. Oh my.
Okay, I think we might need to get a slower, like a less powerful bomb.
Yeah, please.
Okay, let's try to make better bases. Wait, I have an idea for a base. Ooh, this might work well. Okay, put your base in any part of the map. I'm going to be putting the bomb over in this corner. Oh wait, I might want
Do
to
not spawn the bomb in yet, please.
Okay, I cleaned up the map.
Okay, what if we... This is gonna be my base. Yeah,
Where?
this is gonna be my base.
What? It's a piece of wood.
I know, but...
It can break
It
with
gets-
one gunshot or nuke shot.
Well, do not.
Okay, my base is going to be
I forgot, it does that when you don't.
I have my base.
Okay, wait a minute. This might be a genius idea.
Wait.
Since I use bathtub.
Wait, what do you... Okay, fine.
See, it's genius. Wait,
Yes.
don't do anything yet. Don't. Please do not.
I'm gonna set up the camera. I'm gonna make it static so it doesn't go flying away. Cause like,
Yeah, that's
always
what I did every time.
That's not fun because like, it goes flying away.
Oh, I accidentally moved my whole base by accident. Let me freeze it. Okay. Now resize the screen. Oh, that's a camera. Do not.
You ready?
Hold on. Oh no, I made the screen too big. You can look outside if you want to see the screen. Okay, never mind. I resized it.
The bomb is set up.
Oh, why did you do that?
Why not?
Maybe I can fit it a million times. Yes, I did it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's see what happens.
The bomb is going off. Oh, that's a big bomb.
I didn't die.
I was too close to it. No.
Spawn it like right next to mine.
Okay.
I want to see if it explodes mine.
Let's see if it does work.
Oh no. That's really close.
This isn't the same bomb.
Yeah, but it's a pretty big bomb either way. If a bomb is if a bomb is not green, it's not a good thing.
That should be on a t-shirt.
Yeah. In Iran or something.
Okay then. That's a big explosion. I wonder if there's any radiation damage. There should be at least.
Probably, I hear it burning. Yes, there is.
There's no fallout.
What do you mean there's no fallout? This is fallout practically.
There's no radiation. There will be radiation though.
Do not set it off yet. I need to get back. Holy crap.
Yep, there's now nuclear fallout.
Yep. Look how big that explosion is. I
Bonk.
can't even... Oh my goodness.
This is what happens when I have too much power.
Yep, it's your server. You can do whatever you want.
Yep. Well, anyways, I'm gonna reset the map so we don't break our computers. Alright, so let's try to build our second base, shall we? Like,
You're still, like, you're on 1 health and you're, like, mummified.
I know, because I have God mode on. Like, look at this. See, if I spawn in a cluster nuke? Oh, let's try to build bases and survive the cluster nuke.
We gotta build for that? I mean, pretty hard to survive. Let's see if this fridge will protect us like it does in the movies.
Okay, that's what my idea was. I didn't even think it. Wait, why'd you make it so big?
Cause we need room for,
I'm already in a fridge.
Yep, I bet you are.
I'm going to make it so I can die.
Yeah. Ooh, look. I made it bigger.
Oh, why? That's not the fridge I was talking about. What about
What
this
did you
fridge?
do?
This is the one from the actual mod.
Yeah, but why did you fling mine?
Because I'm Batman.
No, let's just see if I can survive with this. Probably not.
Well, this will be the end of the video's finale, right?
This will be the end of the video.
Because it'll probably
Already?
crash our computers.
No.
It will.
No, it won't.
Yeah. This would be a hard thing to survive, man. Okay, you ready?
Wait, no. Let me get a camera. Because we gotta get that nice angle.
Ah, yes. The angles.
Yes, in a YouTube video are very important.
I like how you're talking to yourself in the third person. That's gonna be breaking some third walls. I mean, like, that's a lot of fourth wall breaking, mate.
Okay.
You ready?
Nah, okay. Yeah, I am. It's not welded, so we'll see how
Ah,
this
crap.
goes.
I moved my camera.
Oh. Any day now. This will not crash our computers.
It is a cluster nuke, so... Oh, wait, I unlinked it.
I
Launching.
just see you flying away.
Okay.
Yep.